Ohayou gozaimasu, it's Mikan and welcome to my channel. Today we are at the WonFes, the Wonder Festival at Chiba, the winter edition, and I'm so excited for that because every freaking year I am looking to the news of the WonderFest online, and finally I'm going to be there for the first time. I'm so exciting, and my Paulina is like not good at all, but well. This is the ticket with all the stand. There is 3,000 inside. So yeah, a lot. Oh my god. Too many people. It's like Comic-Con. What? Oh my god. You may not all know what is Wonder Festival, or shortened as WonFest, so let me explain a little bit. First, it usually happens twice a year, like the Comic-Con. Second, as I said, I always dream to be there. Why? As an otaku or weeb myself, this is the place to go. I used to collect figures, and these were the biggest company to the smallest individual independent artists display their new creation, mainly as we called garage kits. It can be about anime or game or movie or anything pop culture, but we'll see more about it later. Every twice a year, tons of photographers, journalists or bloggers come here to then report the news. And this time, although super late, it's finally my turn. So glad. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
T'as mal là-bas aussi des figurines.
Who says pop culture says cosplay, right? So of course, at an event like that, cosplayer was at the party. However, I didn't know you cannot film them like I am currently doing. Of course, that's just the ethic logic, right? I just needed content to illustrate. They were really serious about it. Do not take pictures or video without the consent of the cosplayer. So if you want a picture, first you make a line like everyone, and then you ask, maybe the person wants to take a break too? We don't know, they're human too. So yes. And by the way, you won't never guess who I saw. Jésus! Ladies and gentlemen, Jesus is a weeb! So many people, too many photographers. It's amazing, like of stuff there are. There, like camera is. I'm more amazed by the camera than the cosplay. Is like. Wow.
This is cat.
Cat! Neko!
Not Nico.
I mentioned freelance artists. If you remember my video about Design Festa, this area felt the same. That's a great way to make you know by more, to display your work, or to get in touch or meet your customers. I basically wanted to show you everything and everyone, but since it's not possible, here is a selection of cool stuff. cute stuff. I mean, you can buy clothes and personalized stuff for your dolls. And funny wig stuff. By the way, this last one made me remember this Twitter account, Poorly Draw Cat, that I recommend, so funny. And here is some example of what I mean. Isn't it funny and cute? Now on the professional or more industrial side of this event, the climax, according to myself, of the Wonder Festival. And so you have GOODSMILE Company, Max Factory, Takarakuji, Aniplex, and such other big names. Even Amiami had a booth and I was so surprised. Once again, I just couldn't film everything, but I show you some cool booths, do not worry about it. So in the end, as a weeb and otaku and as my first time at the WonFes, I would say that I really loved it. Like, if you are a weeb as I am, you must go there. It's a little bit pricey, but it's literally worth it. So you can go there. I recommend you. You won't be deceived. Just go have this experience, at least once in your life. It's like a Comic-Con, you need to go there. Absolutely need to go there.
There's a figure that you can put on your cup noodle.
Add to the showcase, you could also have very cool experiences like, and probably even more, so this is only a very thin side of what you can do. Expectation? Reality.
Il m'a pas vu.
Wesh, bonhomme!
Je vais venir par derrière et faire. Hello everybody, it's Mikan and welcome to my channel. Today it's a video unboxing. Ah là là, comment on éteint ce truc? Regarde ce coup.
コスプレ申請した方のご一室への入場17時までとなっております。
Tu sais que je te l'ai chopé et après j'ai vu ta story en mode il y en avait plus dedans et j'étais là non, faut surtout pas qu'il vienne chaud.
皆様、11月にまたお会いいたしましょう。
Ah, je l'ai loupé. Ouais. well, it's over now. We are going to eat somewhere with everybody and some friends as well. We are with my boyfriend, Miku, that you know already. My brother is here too, as you can see. And well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and the focus didn't, focus! So, if you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe, everything, you know the song. And if you want to see what I bought today, make sure to. If you want to see what I bought today, make sure to see the journal with me video because I'm gonna show everything with my Hobonichi. So, well, thank you for watching.
Attention, il y a des marches.
Thank you. See you the next time. I love ya. Bye bye.
楽しみにしてるぜ。